Hey, what's up, guys? This is Drew from Passive Profits. Anyway, in this video, we're going to go over why M1 Finance is my favorite robo-advising investing app, period. Listen, development of robo-advisor tools and online investing platforms has made it possible for people to start investing without the prohibitive cost of traditional brokerage services like the old days. Seriously, gone are the days of paying 1.5% of your total investable assets to a random financial advisor. But before I go any deeper, the biggest investment of all is an investment in knowledge. It pays off with the best interest. That's food for thought. One of the most popular robo investment tools is M1 Finance. It's also my favorite. Not only does the platform enable investors to create diversified portfolios and access a variety of financial tools, but it's also offered completely free to individual investors. Plus, if you sign up using my referral link in the description below, not only will you be supporting my channel, but you will also get $30 when you deposit $100. Trust me when I say that this is the best referral bonus for all robo-advisors. In my honest opinion, this is the best platform for building a long-term investment portfolio. In short, it's commission-free and has very powerful interfaces for managing position sizes, seamlessly blending ETFs and individual stocks, rebalancing for tactical asset allocation, and building custom portfolios. M1 Finance currently offers what no other brokerage does: an advanced but simple interface for automatically diversifying into an unlimited number of individual stocks or ETFs, even with very little money. You can invest with as little as $100, and you also get $30 as a referral bonus using the link in the description below. But there are also 8-figure accounts that use M1 Finance. The unique platform that M1 Finance offers makes it easy to weight stocks equally or with fixed weight. Honestly, if you're a trader with a small account, nothing wrong with it, but go with Robinhood. I will also put a link in the description as well for that. If you're an investor of any size, go to M1 Finance. I guarantee you it is for you. You take 2 people, give them each $100,000 and put one on Robinhood and one on M1 Finance and check back in 5 to 10 years, I'll bet money that the one using M1 Finance will have a bigger account 9 times out of 10. You don't have to transfer any money into your account to get started, and you can customize your investment portfolio. When you begin using M1 Finance, you will notice that the tool is mostly centered on the idea of pie investing. Portfolio investing, pie investing, similar. After you finish building your pie, you need to decide which kind of investment account you want. Then, when you are finally ready to complete your account, you must provide some personal information. Finally, you'll fund your account. You can do this by linking your M1 account to your bank account to start your investment account. You will need to add a minimum of $100 to it. But for shameless plug number 3, if you use the link in the description below, you'll get that free $30. But honestly, guys, M1 Finance is my long-term investing app, period. M1 Finance is best for new hands-off investors. M1 Finance is best for individual investors. M1 Finance is best for new and hands-off investors. Now that I read that back, it doesn't make much sense, but I'm going to go with it. For real, bottom line, M1 Finance is best for investors. And if you got value, investors, with this video, hit the subscribe red button and smash either the like or hate button. You know, thumbs up, thumbs down, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Thanks for watching Passive